Children, in the previous video you have already studied about skull, rib cage, spine, and today we are going to study the fourth part of the skeletal system, that is limbs. Now there are two limbs. One is forelimb. Forelimb means hands, and second is hind limbs. Hind limbs means legs. Children, first we are going to study about the forelimb. Forelimb or hands. Can you see this picture? It's given in your book. This is a picture of your forelimb or your hand. Children, forelimb or your hand is connected to the backbone or your spine with the help of a bone, and it is known as pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle, and it is very strong. Pectoral girdle is very strong, and it is present in your shoulder. Now children, your hand is divided into three parts: the upper arm, the forearm, and the hands. Children, your forearm starts, your upper arm starts from your shoulder to the elbow. You know what is the elbow? This is the elbow. This is the shoulder. This is the elbow, and this is known as upper arm. Upper arm is very strong, and it gives strength to the hands. It helps in lifting. Suppose you are lifting a book or you are lifting a box, that is because with the help of your upper arm, and it is known as humerus. The spelling is given here, humerus, and this is upper arm, and it's a single bone. It's a single bone. In the diagram also, this is pectoral girdle, this is humerus, and this is the forearm. And the forearm of the hand is made up of two bones. It is made up of two bones. Then it is joined by the wrist. Okay? Upper arm, forearm, and then there is wrist, and it is joined with the help of hands. And in the hands there are 27 bones. How many bones are there? 27 bones are there in your hand. आपका जो पूरा हैंड होता है उसको फोरलिम्ब बोलते हैं. इसमें ये ज्वाइंट होता है बैकबोन से, पेक्टोरल गर्डल से, और आपके शोल्डर से लेके एल्बो तक एक सिंगल बोन होती है जिसको ह्यूमरस कहते हैं, और ये आपके हैंड को स्ट्रेंथ देती है. फिर आपके एल्बो से लेके रिस्ट तक जो बोन होती है, ये दो बोन्स होती हैं, और इसको बोलते हैं फोर आर्म. और फोर आर्म जो ज्वाइंट होता है हैंड से, और हैंड्स में टोटल 27 बोन्स होती है. चिल्ड्रन, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज हिंड लिम्ब. हिंड लिम्ब मीन्स लेग, यानी कि आपका पैर. यू कैन सी दिस फिगर दैट योर लेग is connected with the backbone, because your forelimb is also connected to the backbone, and your hind limb is also connected to the backbone, and they are connected by the bone which is known as pelvic girdle, and it is very strong. It is very strong bone. Now children, your hind limb or your leg is jointed or is joined by the pelvic girdle to the hip bone. Now children, you can see in your hind limb there is a single bone here. your leg is also divided into 3 parts, and the upper part is a single bone, and it is the longest bone in the human skeleton, and it is known as femur. Then the lower part has 2 bones, and these are known as tibia and fibula. These 2 bones are known as tibia and fibula, and it is connected to your ankle and to your foot. And in your foot there are 26 bones. बच्चे, आपका जो हिंड लिम्ब होता है या लेग होता है, उसमें एक लॉन्ग बोन होती है जो आपके पैल्विक गर्डर से लेके आपके नी तक होती है. इस बोन को बोलते हैं फीमर. और फीमर जॉइंट होती है, फीमर के आगे जो बोन होती है वो फीमर के आगे जो 2 बोन्स होती हैं उनको बोलते हैं टीबिया और फेब्यूला. और वो उसके आगे ये दोनों बोन्स जुड़ी होती हैं limb. और your leg is divided into 3 parts: upper part, lower part, and then your foot. The upper part is the longest bone, femur. Then it is joined by the knee, and then this lower part has 2 bones, tibia and fibula, and it is joined by ankle and your foot. And in your foot there are 26 bones. I hope the skeletal system is clear to you. Skeletal system has 4 parts: rib cage, skull, spine and limbs. Thank you, children.